Role of the physical education in the holistic health. Definition of the physical education: instruction in the development and care of the body, ranging from the simple to the exercise course of the study, providing training and hygiene, gymnastic and platform performance, and managing the athletic games. Holistic education, it is the importance of the physical activity. In essence, holistic education places the child at the centers of the learning and seeks to develop in multiple aspects of the pupil so that they can effectively engage with the world in which they live. Okay, to follow the following are the aims and objectives of the health and physical education organic develop. The objective in the health education is to provide physical and mental satisfaction through the movements of the various types and creative physical activities. Neuromuscular development, objective health and physical education are the provide the physical and mental satisfaction through the movements of the various types and creative physical activities. Interruptive development, the aim of the stimulate respiration and circulatory ensure the good health. Personal and social development means whenever you are participating in the exercises, so you make a new friends and you make a new relationship, so that is also aim and objective of the physical education. Physical education programs, realizing an importance of the physical education, or the secondary education commission recommended that physical activity should be made to suit the individual and his capacity of the physical endurance. कि उन्होंने क्या कहा, कमीशन ने क्या कहा, कि हर एक की एक्टिविटी जो रहेगी हर एक पर्सन की उनकी बॉडी के अकॉर्डिंग उनकी कैपेसिटी के अकॉर्डिंग रहेगी. All teachers below age 40 should be actively participate in the physical activities students of the students. ओके 40 ईयर्स से जो भी नीचे होंगे, ओके तो वो जो सब तरह के टीचर्स जो हैं वो अपनी फ़िज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ में स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इन्वॉल्व होंगे. फुल रिकॉर्ड एक्टिविटीज़ का रखना शुड भी ज़रूरी है. द ट्रेनिंग इन द फिज़िकल एजुकेशन शुड बी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. ओके, the teachers of the physical education should be associated with the teaching of the subject like psychology, hygiene, and given to the some status of the other teachers of the similar qualification. Aids may be given to the training centers by the state and centers. There should be integrated programs of the physical education woven into the fabric of the education system. The physical education program should be planned and described outcome keeping into the mind and interest and the capacity of participants. The program should be within the financial means. Sense of the sharing responsibility in spirit of democratic cooperation should grow from the experience and playground. The program should be reached to all rather than the selective few. Special instructions and coaching should be provided for the student with then talented and special aptitude. The traditional forms of the play, indigenous games and the physical activities of the country should receive due to emphasis in the program. नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑफ एजुकेशन क्या रही है? स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिजिकल एजुकेशन आर द इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. There should be provision of the play fields, equipments, coaches, and trained teachers. Open spaces of the urban area should be reserved for the playground and legislations. At the same time, hotel facilities should be provided for the physical education programs. Sports activities and sports related studies should be given to the students by the trained physical education teachers. Efforts will be made to include yoga in the schools. Stress will be given on the indigenous traditional games, which is promoting integrated development of the body and mind. ओके, नमस्ते बेटा, ये सब चीज़ें आप ध्यान में रखिए। इसमें से आपके 3 को 4 क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं, सो अच्छे से पढ़िए। नमस्ते।